we're changing the way that lawyers can practice. They're going to occupy a position of knowledge where they essentially will have a very good handle on the factual issues of the case, can consult with the client on the risks of moving forward.
We're really here to get to the right decision, the right end for you and your client. We look to solve the individual problem that's presented. There are unique situations, there are unique problems that exist within the collection of data.
Newer technologies will help us in certain areas, but we have to weigh the pros and cons of how it's going to impact our clients.
We spend the time to become expert at it, and I think our clients really appreciate that. We tend to come up with better solutions as a result.
We have several patents on our technology. As the world has evolved, so have we. We think that at this point we're using the best tools. We want to make them available to you. We want to do the best that we possibly can without cutting corners and giving you back proper results.
With hybrid analytics tools, you can face facts head on, whether in the first phase to just really try to associate people, places, and things. You can visually see concepts where you just get that high-level profile of the matter.
The one thing that is consistent, and it's consistent every year, is data is growing. The size of data is becoming almost unreasonable.
The amount of data that's going to be collected is just, it's astronomical these days. And you're not going to have one smoking gun document in order to prove your case. You're going to need to get everything that's most likely relevant. And that's what these tools are going to provide.
You're really able to take very large data sets with relatively few people and become master of the facts.
The machines can kind of find topics, find words that kind of connect documents together that you wouldn't find otherwise.
This is a brand new kind of capability where very limited human intervention goes into it, but the real art is combining different algorithms, different capabilities, stitching together a fabric that solves different types of litigation problems. That's what hybrid analytics offers.
We've got a pretty aggressive project management team. Most of them are lawyers.
When I was a contract attorney and you'd send out a question and just went off into space, we do always want to have our clients understand that we're here and that we're available and that we're working on their problem.
You know, our goal is a 15-minute turnaround time on anything, any time of day. We received it, we're on it. It's a goal because it's always ongoing. You never stop trying to be the best at that.
In terms of our pricing, now looking to include all of the analytic tools in the delivery. I think we're unique in that way. You're no longer making a decision based on price. You're making a decision based on what's best for you and for your client.
Because we really believe that when we price it that way, our clients are going to take advantage of the latest technology.
We've already embarked on the future. We're looking down the road at how the landscape is going to change dramatically through the use of the technology, how the exponential savings can really be achieved. We're very excited about what we're seeing as the long-term future.
Going forward, we just want to get more and more comfortable with these new tools and start applying them to more and more cases, because what we've seen so far has really worked out well.
Would you rather review 2,500 documents or 25 million? I mean, the answer is pretty simple.
We've been blessed to have worked on some of the most complicated matters in history. Our clients rank among the leading law firms and corporations in the world. We have a lot of credibility with our clients. And if you're going to become the first choice for complex matters, you need that credibility.